Hey there, SUV enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of powerhouse SUVs with mind-blowing towing capabilities. Get ready to feel the thrill as we introduce you to the mightiest, most luxurious, and downright impressive road warriors. Introducing the majestic 2023 Lexus LX. If you're searching for an SUV that boasts power, luxury, and off-road prowess, look no further. With a towing capacity of up to 8,000 pounds, this bold beauty can handle it all. The LX 600 impresses with its 3.4-liter V6 twin-turbo engine and four-wheel drive. With 5 trim levels, the LX accommodates 7 passengers in style. It's a true masterpiece of Lexus engineering, benefiting from the ground-up redesign just last year. The LX doesn't shy away from its role as the luxury brand's flagship. 3 rows of spacious seating, combined with stellar on- and off-road performance, makes every drive an adventure. Luxury comes naturally to the LX with a refined, quiet interior and world-class build quality. Its top ultra-luxury trim even offers massaging rear seats for the ultimate relaxation. On the upside, the LX boasts impressive power and fuel economy, a smooth ride, and class-leading off-road capabilities. However, it's essential to consider that it might not provide as much space for passengers or cargo as some rivals. In conclusion, the 2023 Lexus LX is a top-tier choice for those seeking a powerful and luxurious SUV with the muscle to handle heavy towing and the finesse to conquer any terrain. So go ahead and indulge in this ultimate SUV experience. Next on the list, we've got the breathtaking 2023 Land Rover Range Rover. A true icon of luxury SUVs, this all-new model sets new standards in opulence and capability. With a hefty towing capacity of up to 8,200 pounds, it's the epitome of power and elegance. Boasting 5 trim levels, the Range Rover accommodates 5 passengers in the lap of luxury. The 2023 model year brings a complete redesign. With fresh engines and a modern yet timeless exterior that's unmistakably Range Rover. Step inside and you'll be captivated by even more stunning interior, elevating comfort to unmatched levels. This flagship SUV continues to impress with its outstanding off-road power thanks to features like the updated air suspension and all-wheel drive. On the positive side, the Range Rover oozes supreme luxury, refinement, and innovative design. It remains the class leader in off-road capability, offering a sense of adventure with every drive. Plus, you now have the option of available third-row seating for extra versatility. However, some might miss last year's 575 horsepower supercharged V8. As the new 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8 isn't as potent. Get ready to meet the mighty 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe. This full-size 3-row SUV packs a punch with its exceptional towing capacity of up to 8,400 pounds. If you're all about practicality without the need for lavish features, the Tahoe is your ideal choice. With seating for 8, available in 6 trim levels, the Tahoe is a true people and cargo mover. Need to carry luggage or sports gear? No worries, it outperforms the Ford Expedition and Nissan Armada in cargo capacity. Passengers will fall in love with the crazy amounts of space, especially with the impressive legroom in the second row. But that's not all this Chevy Superstar offers. It's a towing rockstar, making light work of heavy hauling duties. Plus, opt for the diesel engine, and you'll enjoy impressive fuel efficiency too. While competitors may boast more premium cabins, the Tahoe focuses on what truly matters: functionality and reliability. Keep in mind that base engines and rival models might offer more horsepower. In summary, the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe is a workhorse of an SUV, excelling in towing and cargo space. Rev up your engines for the rugged 2023 GMC Yukon. As a classic truck-based SUV, it takes on family adventures with ease, offering a hushed, smooth ride. With its mighty V8 engines, it's all set to tow hefty trailers and carry hefty loads, making it a true powerhouse. Seating up to 8 passengers across 5 trim levels, the GMC Yukon shares its mechanical prowess with the Chevrolet Tahoe. But don't be fooled. GMC has crafted some exclusive touches, like the new Yukon Denali Ultimate trim, with special features and the option for Super Cruise hands-free driving technology. Ideal for families, the standard Yukon and the extended Yukon XL offer plenty of space for passengers, ensuring even third-row seating remains comfortable for adults. On top of that, the cargo area is impressively massive, perfect for road trips and those spontaneous camping trips. And if you're the adventurous type, the all-terrain AT4 trim comes with an enhanced off-road capability. That's right, baby, it's adventure time. The Yukon boasts an intuitive infotainment interface with Google Maps and Google Assistant, plus the availability of a fuel-efficient turbo diesel powertrain. Keep in mind, some rivals might offer more fuel-efficient options, and the lower trim shares similarities to the Chevrolet Tahoe and Chevrolet Suburban. Additionally, if you're considering the extended-length Yukon XL, make sure it fits in your garage or parking space, because this bad boy is huge. Next, buckle up for the grand 2023 Lincoln Navigator. This full-size luxury SUV stands tall with its impressive towing capacity of up to 8,700 pounds, offering a quiet, comfortable, and capable ride. If size, comfort, and power are your priorities, the Navigator is the perfect vehicle for you. With 3 trim levels and seating for 8, the Navigator doesn't hold back. Covered in chrome and boasting over 400 horsepower, it's Lincoln's largest and most expensive model. You can choose between the standard Navigator or the supersized Navigator L, which grants even more cargo space behind its third-row seat. Indulgence awaits inside the cabin with lavish materials and decadent features like massaging seats, elevating every journey to a true, luxurious experience. Under the hood, the Navigator packs a smooth and powerful turbocharged engine, ensuring a delightful driving experience. Plus, it offers massive amounts of space for both passengers and cargo, catering to all your needs. The only thing is, you gotta keep in mind that the huge 22-inch wheels might sacrifice a bit of ride comfort, and the Navigator's gigantic size could present challenges in certain parking situations. Introducing the mighty 2023 Ford Expedition. This full-size SUV boasts an incredible towing capacity of up to 9,300 pounds, providing a limousine-like ride, exceptional towing prowess, and ample cargo space. With 6 trim levels and seating for 7, its smooth ride and quiet interior deliver a luxurious feel. It comfortably accommodates up to 8 people and offers generous space for all your gear. Opt for the extended wheelbase Expedition Max, and you'll have even more cargo space behind the spacious third-row area. The Expedition stands out from its competitors with its turbocharged V6 engine, giving you way better fuel efficiency without compromising power. Despite its slightly insane size, the Expedition navigates city streets and parking lots with ease. And once on the highway, it's a true dream cruiser. Inside, you'll be delighted by the spacious and comfortable cabin, featuring a stunning infotainment screen and impressive safety features. On the upside, the Expedition offers higher mileage ratings than most rivals. While its only downside might be the limited powertrain choices and potential parking limitations because of its size. But hey, it's called a large SUV for a reason, right? Large SUVs can get crazy expensive, and we think that looking into secondhand options is a life hack. Here's a used 2021 Ford Expedition XLT RWD we've found just for you. And finally, we have the legendary 2023 Jeep Wagoneer. This iconic nameplate returns, bringing this super impressive 3-row SUV to the Jeep lineup. With a robust towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, it's a true powerhouse that has made it to the top of our list for a good reason. Seating up to 8 across 4 trim levels, the Wagoneer boasts a spacious and luxurious interior that exudes elegance with features like Nappa leather and a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen. Last year's reintroduction delighted off-road enthusiasts, providing them with a new 3-row option. Under the hood, a twin turbocharged 6-cylinder engine delivers ample power for a smooth highway ride. For those who crave adventure, the Wagoneer is well prepared with 3 different 4-wheel drive systems, ready to conquer dirt and muck and whatever else you might throw its way. This year, the excitement continues with a new long wheelbase variant, offering even more room for everyone and everything. In conclusion, the 2023 Jeep Wagoneer is the epitome of capability, luxury, and versatility. This SUV promises a top-notch driving experience, whether you're conquering rough terrains or cruising in style on the highway. Got a favorite SUV on our list? Drop it in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this adventure through insanely powerful SUVs, hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for the next ride.